My husband would not peek his head from under his umbrella from the second that the sunshine stopped. My dear would never wait and would be sure to pop it open at the instant the first raindrop dropped.
My wife would never carry one or even leave the house, but that's the nature of a melancholic catatonic spouse. Well, anyway, thank goodness for the ancients making these. You know, the waxing of the parasol was done by the Chinese.
I've always found those far-off and exotic eastern places from antiquity so terribly romantic. But my husband is a scientist, so travels with a doctor are quite rigorous and terribly pedantic. My husband would not dally for an amorous retreat, though sometimes I do wish he'd take the time and sweep me off my feet.
I do enjoy a talk about things Grecian and Confucian, though the topics often overwhelm my darling's constitution.
Why can't we be like Adam and Eve in the Garden of Eden, untamed?
Why can't we be?
Once we were all part of nature, but we've grown accustomed to being ashamed.
We have indeed.
Why can't we be like the roses and azaleas,
Wet with dew and beautiful?
You never know what seeds the rain makes germinate and bloom, what orchids, hyacinths, or marigolds.
Yes, I suppose you never know, but then we are not flowers. In this downpour we would both catch colds.
Would you steal a lady's parasol and leave her sans defense?
Just as you let a guest into a rainstorm under false pretense.
I think that we've discovered just exactly who you are. I think that we've discovered just exactly who